Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Elementor on a WordPress. In my previous video I showed how to install WordPress in a hosting plan. In this case, now we are installing Elementor in WordPress. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and check that video first. I'm going to leave the link in the description and then follow up with this video. So first thing first, we're going to go to the website that I have created, which was how to install WordPress. Okay, this is where we left it earlier. So in order to install Elementor here, we need to go to plugins and click on add new, and then go to search plugins, and we're going to search for Elementor and hit enter. This is the plugin that I'm talking about. Is Elementor website builder, and currently I have installed, but it is not activated. So all what you need to do is just click install now. So I'm going to install in this case the essential add-ons for Elementor as well, because I'm going to use it for my project. So we're going to wait until this one is installed. Now first we're going to click activate on the Elementor. Since the Elementor is activated, we're going to go back to the plugins, and in here we're going to activate the essential add-on for Elementor as well. So currently we have the Elementor free version. How you can see that it asks us to go to the Pro version. However, you can get the Pro version by clicking to web.com, and from here go to tutorials, and on the tutorials you have Elementor Pro. So you can click on the picture or click here. In this case, when you purchase Elementor, I'm getting some credits from Elementor because I'm referring you. So click here and then just hit get started and follow up the process. You have to fill all the information. I'm not gonna do this because I do have an account. Just gonna go under my account, and you're gonna see all my websites that are currently created on Elementor. So from here we need to download the Elementor by clicking the one on top, the arrow down on top, download, and we can do download the Elementor Pro Expert. From here we're going back to the website that we are working on. We're gonna hit add new because we have to install the Elementor Pro. Then upload plugin, not on a search, but upload plugin. We're gonna drag and drop this one over here and just hit install now. You see hosting here is very quick, so it didn't take not even 10 seconds to install it. Hit activate plugin. After the plugin is activated, it's gonna ask me to connect the Elementor with my account. I'm gonna click on this, and all what I need to do is to activate. After activated, it shows that the status is active, and this is the way how you can install the Elementor on your WordPress. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch the first video and subscribe for more videos.